Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to print an attachment from an email within Outlook. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have received an email. It's got an attachment here. You can see this is the attachment. It's an image, in fact. So I'm going to just double click on this email over here. Let's just close that. We're going to double click on this email. We're going to open it up in a new page. Okay, so this is the email. This is the attachment. So now you can see, you can go and click on the image over here. So just click on the image. You'll see now this is what it looks like. You'll have the option to download, make full screen, or print. Let's go and click on print. Once you are here, you will see that this is what it looks like. And what we want to do is, because it's now divided over 2 pages, there are a few different ways we can do this. So first of all, we can see over here that there are some more settings. So let's open this up, and we want to come down here to scale. And from default, we want to say customize, right? Now, the original scale is 100, and this is what it looks like. What you need to do is go ahead and take the scale and put in a value there that will push your attachment onto one single page. Now, of course, if this is a document, then it will come up as an A4 page, and that's fine. But we're dealing with an image, which was screenshot on a phone. So it's 1080 by 1920 in resolution. So you can just go ahead and see what scale you can use here to make the most out of your A4 page that I would presume you're printing on. One of the other options is to not even click on print at all, but just click on download. And once you've clicked on download, then you can go ahead and use maybe third-party software to put this onto a page. You could possibly use Adobe. You could also possibly use Canva. And then you can scale it onto your page and print it directly from that app. I hope this was helpful.